Hey guys, let me show you some common outdoor plant which you can grow in your balcony garden, which will enhance the beauty of your garden, right? So the first one which I would like to show you is geranium. The flowers are pink in color and they can withstand scorching summers with very low watering, so they require very low maintenance. Okay. The second one are petunias. The flowers are of different colors, pink, purple and white, and they bloom during the spring in the varied colors, and they are the wonderful choices which will help your garden to look so beautiful. Okay, the third one is sedums. So they are beautiful pink flowers which also do not require the much care. Next are hostas, which have beautiful kind of variegated leaves, which is from blue to green to yellow colored plant, yellow colored leaf basically. Next is kind of red leaved coral bells. So these coral bells are easy to maintain and they bloom during the sunshine, and they also benefit when they are grown during the shade. Next is Vigela. So they are also beautiful colored pink flower, and they will also enhance the beauty of your garden.